All right, so I got my temp gun. I didn't run this thing very long, but this idler here is 54 degrees, and this one here is 60 degrees. And I mean, you can see it really good. But it is super cool that this, you know, everything is green around here, and you go here, and this one's red, and it's not really hot, because it's only like 5 degrees warmer, but it's warmer than everything else around the machine. So these are super handy tools. I'll put a link in the description. But we're gonna loosen up the track, and then we'll jack it up and replace this roller. So the first thing I want to do is loosen up this grease fitting down here so we can loosen the track up. All right, we got that loosened up. I'm gonna raise the track back up and rotate it around. Mainly just raise it up. Normally the track is heavy enough. Just the weight of the track will compress this and move the idler in to get us some slack. Is the track moving now?
A little bit.
Okay. We might have to loosen it a little more. It's slow, it's cold. I need to go up more, or? Okay, so we got the track released, got the idler pushed in. Now we're gonna take this little bottle jack and jack up to create some room here. Coming our way a little bit, but should be all right. All right. So all that holds this on is 4 bolts. So we'll get those knocked loose. Nice and tight. Oh my God.
Somewhere around there.
Somewhere. Well, I might have started.
Yeah.
It's in there. Be nice to have a 1/2-inch drive ratchet right now. What do you know?
You just gotta find the right hole.
You gotta buy a lottery ticket. Very nice. Okay. All right, we got our roller on. We've screwed our grease fitting back in. Now we're gonna tighten up the track with the grease gun. Everything look like it's turning good? Until next time, see you, bye.